and I decided to stop operations for that company. But when I did that, I also ensured that I transferred my staff to my client. So I ensured that all my staff were absorbed into my client's place, and now all my staff are all happily placed in various IT companies in India and abroad, and they look forward very happily to that association they had with me.
आज प्रवीण अपनी कंसल्टेंसी चला रहे हैं, जहां वो बीएससी के लिए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप कर रहे हैं।
Today I am doing a consulting assignment for the Bombay Stock Exchange for their website. I am also part of an effort of some professionals to create a non-profit organization called the Business Process Council, and I am the marketing director, and as expected of me, I am responsible for all the communication, the website, the printed and the web-based communication that is created for our council. So these are some of the professional activities that I am currently busy with.
प्रवीण मानते हैं कि भारत में एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को बढ़ावा दिया जाना चाहिए। अच्छे इकोनॉमी को एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का साथ मिलने से देश की अर्थव्यवस्था में और सुधार आएगा।
I think at some stage in your professional career, one should certainly consider and actively think of starting one's own enterprise. And now there are plenty of opportunities. The markets are maturing. Funding is available. It was not like that in the earlier times. The situation, however, is such that basically we are contractors to the world. You tell us what you want and we'll do it for you at half the price. Now that's a fantastic thing because it is bringing in a lot of money. This strategy has paid off well for the country and for the IT industry as well as for the economy. It has spawned off new industries, it has created tremendous jobs, so all that is fine. But in the back room, let us utilize this time to create intellectual property, create products. Despite being the world's greatest hub for IT enabled services, we still do not have a single product that we can call our own. Whatever we are doing it for other countries and other companies, and in that process we are helping them become better than us. So that is why there is a tremendous need for people to come out with their intellectual property and add value. First of all, that's why I believe that there is a tremendous need for entrepreneurship, a little bit of risk taking, thinking beyond just being contractor. Soon already it has started happening that Indian companies have started subcontracting outside.
प्रवीण के अनुसार युवा पीढ़ी को देश की तरक्की में खुलकर योगदान देना चाहिए। साथ ही वो ये भी समझते हैं कि हमारे देश की राजनीति पहले से बेहतर हो रही है।
What is positive at this time when I compare with the time when I started my professional career is the most important thing is the youth. They are certainly much more excited about the future. They are certainly more learned and they are certainly smarter than what we were at that same age at that time. That is a positive for the country. They are ambitious, they have an idea, they have a big picture. The second thing is, it appears that the country economically is on a roll. The good thing is that politically the country is being more pragmatic than theoretical. And another important aspect is more and more young women are entering the workforce, and that's also a positive sign for the country. The message I'd like to give to the youth of this country is, number one, take your education seriously. Remember that it's education that has put our country to the top of the world chart, and it's up to you to keep it there. Second thing is, preserve your value systems. There's a lot in our value systems which is good and worth keeping. There are certain things that are worth discarding. But whatever is worth keeping, try to keep them and create a distinct flavor of India and Indians.
प्रवीण के घर वाले उन्हें बेहद ही सेंसिटिव और हंसमुख मानते हैं।
My dad's one of the most amazing person. I mean, he's always influenced us, encouraged us to think different and do something different, not what everyone does.
I think my dad is a real cool dude in a way that he kind of relates to everybody, young or old, or of the new generation or of the old generation, and he loves us a lot. He spent a lot of time, a lot of quality time with us, especially ever since we were young, and to this date we are very involved.
He is a person with a totally different ideas. He has a totally different personality. He is a person who loves traveling, education, to give education to someone who wants some need from him. He always ready for all that things.
My dad is a very international and knowledgeable person. He's traveled everywhere, so he keeps sharing his ideas and experiences with us. And he's always been with us. Whatever we want to do, he's always been there to encourage us. Be it traveling, sport, or studying, or anything. He's always there too. And we've never heard a no from him, ever.
प्रवीण विदेशों में बसे भारतीयों से दरख्वास्त करते हैं कि वो वापस लौटकर भारत की तरक्की में सहयोग दें।
India is on a roll and there are lots of opportunities, lots of job opportunities, and it's poised for really astonishing growth. But what does it mean to those who are already well settled, those Indians who are already well settled in US and other places of the world? It's nice to hear this about their home country, but I wonder if that will entice them to come out of their well-ensconced lives and come back to India. So my message is more directed to the youth of India, and what I'd like to tell them is part of a song from Raj Kapoor's Jis Desh Mein Ganga Behti Hai. अब लौट चले नैन बिछाए बाहें पसारे तुझको पुकारे ये देश तेरा अब लौट चले।
प्रवीण अपने देश की कला, संस्कृति और संस्कार को काफी ऊंचा आंकते हैं। उनके दिल में बसा देश प्रेम उनकी बातों से साफ झलकता है।
स्वदेश का मतलब होता है स्व का देश, मेरा देश, अपना देश। यहाँ मेरा राज चलता है। जैसे एक दफ़े मैंने मेरे दोस्त को कहा था कि यहाँ मेरा बाप का राज है, और हम लोग काफ़ी हंस पड़े थे। क्या फ़ायदा अगर दूसरे देश में सेकंड क्लास सिटीज़न रहकर यहाँ अपने देश में सुखद अवसर पर, दुखद अवसर पर आप देखिए कितने लोग क्षण में हाजिर हो जाते हैं, आपके साथ खड़े रह जाते हैं। आपको इतना सोशल, इमोशनल सपोर्ट, फैमिली सपोर्ट मिलता है। मेरे बच्चों को मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ रहने का इतना फ़ायदा हुआ है यहाँ पे, इतने संस्कार मिले हैं उनके साथ रहने से। वो यहाँ सिर्फ अपने देश में ही मिल सकता है। तो वहाँ आप अकेले हैं और यहाँ हम साथ साथ हैं।
वतन की याद जब पल पल सताने लगे, परदेश में दिन काटे नहीं कटते, और बस लौटने का मन करता है सरसों के खेतों में, आम के बगीचों में। स्वदेश के इस सफर में हमने आपको रूबरू करवाया कुछ ऐसे लोगों से जिन्होंने 7 समंदर पार अपनी काबिलियत का लोहा मनवाया और फिर ठानी अपनी कामयाबी अपने हमवतनों के साथ बांटने की। हमारे इस सफर में हम सफर बनिए और अपने सुझाव हमें भेजते रहिए।